Checked. Once upon a time, in a quiet neighborhood, there lived a small, fluffy dog named Max. Max was a lovable and adventurous little creature, always brimming with energy and curiosity. He had soft, caramel-colored fur that made him irresistibly cute to everyone who laid eyes on him. Max's favorite activity was exploring the world around him. Every morning, he would eagerly wag his tail, ready for a new adventure. He would dash out the front door, his tiny paws barely touching the ground as he raced through the grass. One sunny day, while Max was sniffing around the park, he noticed a group of children playing with a bright red ball. Max's eyes sparkled with excitement. He couldn't resist joining in on the fun. With a burst of speed, he chased after the ball, darting between the children's legs and barking joyously. The children were delighted by Max's playful antics. They giggled and cheered as Max skillfully caught the ball in his tiny mouth and returned it to them. Max was thrilled to be the center of attention, his tail wagging furiously as he reveled in the children's laughter. As days turned into weeks, Max became a regular visitor to the park. The children grew fond of him, and he became their unofficial mascot. They would gather around him, patting his soft fur and sharing their stories. Max was overjoyed to have found such great friends. One rainy day, Max woke up to the sound of thunder rumbling outside. The storm clouds loomed overhead, and the rain poured heavily. Max peered out of the window, feeling a pang of disappointment. He longed to go outside and play, but the weather was just too dreary. Determined to make the best of the situation, Max trotted over to his toy basket and pulled out his favorite squeaky toy. He tossed it in the air, catching it with his teeth, and joyfully squeaked it. The sound echoed through the house, filling the air with happiness. Max's owners, seeing his enthusiasm, joined in the fun. They played fetch indoors, tossing the toy back and forth, and Max chased after it with unbridled glee. The storm outside faded into the background as Max reveled in the warmth and love of his family. From that day on, rain or shine, Max knew that he could find joy and happiness in any situation. Whether it was exploring the park with his friends or playing indoors with his family, Max's adventures were a testament to the boundless joy that a small dog could bring to everyone's lives.